What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I got this Volkswagen 2008 or 2009. It's the same thing, I don't know. Volkswagen City Golf, and as you can see, it's got some front end damage. The person that told me about this told me that they hit a deer. You can see that there's some hair from the deer right here. So what we're gonna have to do to this is we're gonna have to put a fender on. We're gonna have to put a light and bumper, stuff like that. Now, I didn't do any research on this before I picked this up, but the parts for this is like, it's actually, honestly, it's easier to find parts for this for an R32 GTR Skyline than it is to find Volkswagen City Golf parts, because there's just none around. So luckily, the person that I got this off of, they added this into the deal, this fender to sweeten the deal, which is the same color, so I don't need to paint that. And they picked up their crash scene pretty good. They got a bucket of parts that probably aren't useful. I don't know. And then I picked up these lights here. That's not even for the right side, but I picked this up anyways because I'm gonna try and sell it because these parts are hard to come by. But I picked up this, and I picked up this because this doesn't have the emblem here. Picked up that, and then I picked up this because this goes right here because it's all damaged. So, and if I buy an OEM bumper from Volkswagen, these parts aren't going to come with it, and if I was to order them, they'd be a lot. But I also picked up this. I know I'm going to fix this up pretty good, because if you look, follow me here. If you look, this car is in very good shape. This door, that's as far as it opens. See that? See? So, and I've been climbing in on the passenger side to get in this car, tired of it. But as you can see, it's in very good shape, really good shape. And this right here is the reason why I bought that corner piece, because I'm gonna make sure that everything on this is fixed good. This whole side is just beautiful. Really good shape. Interior, it's dusty, but it's smoke-free and it's rip-free. It's a good city Golf, so this will be a great car. That's not good, but I didn't even see that. And I didn't even see the windshield here, but I don't know if it's cracked or what, but it'll pass an inspection anyways. Without further ado, I'm gonna try and get into it and get this thing going. I guess that this got damaged too. The old pop rod for the hood got damaged, but that's good. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to remove this damaged garbage. I'm going to put the fender on, I'm going to put the headlight on, and I'm going to remove this this crappy bumper. Let's get into it. Yeah, this side took a lot of the damage, but it's not much. Like, everything is good. Everything is good visually, so that's a plus. I mean, I don't really know where there's any damaging stuff. I'm gonna cut that off because that's not doing anybody any good. Oh yeah, that cut it like butter. I'm just gonna throw this in my bucket because you never know if you might need to like glue all of this back together. I didn't expect like this stuff to just come straight out. Yeah, like half of this shit is no good, guys. So if you think I'm being hard on this light, I'm not being hard on it, it's just a lot of junk. So pretty much this is like a, this is a master clip. So you clip this in. I'm gonna get my pliers. Yeah, so on these Volkswagens, guys, it's like, there's like one master plug. And so one master plug that plugs into the whole headlight, and then the bulbs and stuff, well those you just change. So I'm gonna keep this stuff just because I don't know if I'm gonna have blown out bulbs on my new one or not. That's the only reason why. And then there's two right here. Well, there isn't two. There's one right here that I need to get at. There. Well, since this is like already trashed, you can just grab it with your vice grips or pliers, pull this up. Ugh. Ugh. Wow. So you get at this nut right here. So now this should have most of its stuff off. That's off. I'm gonna jack the car up because I think I'm gonna have to get in that inner fender. Always make sure you find a good spot to jack it up and then just jack it. And it seems like to me that there's some Torx bits. I'm gonna figure out what size they are and use them. So pretty much I'm gonna try and get this fender off. I don't know what size these are, but I think it's the good size. So yeah, I got this like really good kit here that has like a bunch of small ones. So next thing I'm gonna do is just get up in here and take this inner fender liner out. Because you need to take it out if you can. Oh, I can't get in that. That's that.
Do you want me to go in and turn the wheel?
No, it worked without it. Wow, there's like a lot of stuff in here, guys, that like is really hard to get at. Like this is like even in behind the it's even in behind the friggin' just trying everything I can to get this fender out. Oh wow.
What?
Seems like the fender's in behind all this crap. Alright, so I just got Trish to cut the wheel because I wasn't able to get in here. And now that the wheel's cut, I'm gonna try and get my tool in here. And wow, there's a lot of junk.
Is that mud?
Yeah, I'm just digging it out because this is like where the drainage is. So just trying to get tool in here so I can get it out. I don't know if
Why?
I'm gonna put it that way and then push it up. I don't know what this is doing, but this Fender is not going to be reused, so I'm going to take this off. I would probably reuse these screws anyways. Alright, so now I'm just trying to figure out like about how it's in here and all that. And now there's a freaking bottom one that needs to come off. Hey, it's just a 10mm. We can just zap that off, right?
I don't know.
There. You guys seeing this in real time? Are they seeing this, Trish?
I think so. Even if I come up close, they can't see anything because your hands are too big.
Look at that. So that's why. And look at all this, guys. That's all just friggin' mud. Friggin' mud. Whoa, what are you doing there, Trish?
I'm stepping on it.
Yeah, show them this bolt that I was trying to get out, but I couldn't. Right here. It has like paint on the inside of it. Maybe it's a 10mm. Well, I just spun it real quick so that it heat up the glue to see what this was. Yep, it's a 10mm, guys. There. Just took that out, but wow, was that hard to get to. That's off. So we got this junk dirt. Look at all this. This is all friggin' mud from this
Whoa, you should clean that out.
yeah, that's how I clean it out with my fingers.
No, there's like a bunch right there.
Geez, I can't believe people never clean out their fenders or their rocker panels. I think everybody every year should at least like take off their fenders and clean them. Because if you don't clean them, this is what happens. You get a big rust buildup. Now I can open my door. It's good. I mean, as for everything else, I'm just gonna want to start pulling the front bumper off now. Half the shit on this is broke. I don't really know. I'm just gonna take it off. So now, to get this front bumper off, there's gonna be some Torx bits here. I don't know what size they are, because, oh, they're this size, P27, and that should be enough to pop that grill off. That one's off. Yeah, this comes off of here. This is two separate pieces. So you just pull, take it off. with enough of persuasion, it'll come off. And then on this side here, there's an 8mm. Is there like more? I got this off after a lot of freaking errors and stuff like that. I got it off. Now I guess this needs to come off to take off the, it's actually stuck to the bottom. Yeah, and I guess there's another 8mm up in here. So we gotta get that too. Just trying to gain access to my 8mm here. And that just broke off, so that's great. Okay, so pretty much now, I think there's not much holding this in place. Maybe a 10mm bolt underneath. And then this bumper is gonna come off, guys. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. Well, that's great. That bolt just broke off. Oh, frig, guys. That one didn't. So that's good. Take that off, which we did. So the bumper's off, and we need to save this piece without breaking it, but it's like, it's glued with like really good glue. There, got it off. So this piece is gonna stay like that. This piece, well, I gotta buy one. I was hoping that this black trim came with it and it's all one piece. The grill's even all one piece, so that's a plus. I don't know if that's been spray painted before or what. But, so I mean guys, this looks pretty good. Well, it doesn't look good when it has all of its stuff taken off, but for the most part, I think this car's gonna look really good.
Once it's all done.
Well guys, we got that, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna leave this out for now, but I think maybe I shouldn't put that off. All right guys, we got the damage done, the damage taken off. We know that there's nothing else that's damaged on this, visually, so that's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the next video, we're gonna put the fender on, we're gonna put the lights on, we're gonna start getting this thing ready to go to be original car. See you guys in the next one. Peace!